welcome back to Mr. Bun Buzz. Yay! Yay! Big deal. Okay, my workshop is a little messy right now. I haven't had the time to clean it up. Oh, I got my light. I forgot about this. It's a cheap dollar store one. There we go. Kind of looking at it. So if you see I just used some silicone on this little stool I'm looking at. It's not very pretty. It actually had this big. I was doing it horizontal, but then it broke. But it's silicone. As you see, it's still wet. I just did it a few minutes ago. Okay, but let's look. Bye. Okay, I'm gonna try this. But I'll show you. It opens. It's an old vice, and it closes. And then here's my lathe. Don't have wood in it. And usually this stuff won't be here. It's just a plain big old mess. Sorry if it's bad film. I'm looking through the camera. What's fun? 2-inch piping. Reduced down to 1/2-inch piping. Or 1 inch and half pipe. I don't know. 1 inch. Well, look. Look at this steel. I'm gonna put it on the gun so you guys can see it. It's a steel. Very heavy with one hand. It's not too heavy, but it's a little heavy. My daddy's cleaning up the workshop. He's got a mess too up here. Say hey, Daddy.
Hi, buddy.
How you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Good.
Trying to clean up our mess.
You know, I'm making a video. Can't you see? Let's see. What? I want to see all my dad's power tools. I'll show you mine. I don't have that many. They're in the wrong place right now, but there's some right here. Metal cutter, spin that 100 impact wrench, and drill, and sander. Got a lot of stuff in there. What was the long video? Sorry if you hear my brother and my dad. My brother's having a fire out. Here's my ATV. This is mine. My brother's. Just kind of looking around. Oh, old lawnmower. Doesn't work. Bad. Bad. This is my brother's workshop. Not the best. Here's where I get my wood. My jack. My gas jack, 3 ton. This is this little one. It's a 1/2 ton. I mean they take 2,000 pounds, which is technically it is 1 pound jack. I'm not sure how it works. See that thing going up? And then when you want it, just the other way and it goes in. These are some lock jacks. Oh yeah, my next one I'm gonna do some forging.
No forging.
I'm being a pain right now. This is a failed thing I couldn't make. It's supposed to go up like here, and I failed that. There's some caution cones. Oh, here's some one. I didn't see this one. this is about, but I got it a long time ago. No, we didn't watch it. That's what I was. My place is a disaster right now. I horrible. I gotta fix it. I was on video. There's my air pipes and extension cord. A lot of them. This is funny. That's markers. We're not setting off fireworks. We're not setting off firecrackers, and I'm making a video. Which song is it? My brother's. Bobcat key. This is an old key. You've been annoying, huh? When I'm making a video. I know. Making a video.